Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel Travel with Joshi. Again I come with a review product. Let's check out. First of all, I like to thank Alusso for giving me the opportunity to display the beautiful solar lamp. It's not only nice but it also has very good construction and price also. Here is the specification of this lamp. And the instruction. It's a full function, full feature solar light. It's actually go to white to multicolor. It also have motion sensor. It comes with a warranty card. With registration, you can get 2 years warranty. And here is some other products of the company. Here comes the instruction menu. With this, you can set up everything properly. It comes with hardware also. So if you want to mount it, you can do it easily. Rechargeable USB-C cord. And this is the solar light with solar panel. And there is the knob to loosen or tighten for adjustment different angle. And look at the solar panel. It's indeed a large one. And look at the bulbs of the light. There is not only one bulb, there is lots of bulbs, at least 12 to 15. With the knob, you can set up the beam angle up to 30 degrees. And if you want to put it in the ground, here is the stick. I just love this solar lamp. This is the USB-C slots. And the power button. Oops, it's really bright. It's really good in quality. They use ABS PVS plastic, so it's really strong and durable. When you charge, it will show you red light. Can you see that? I started charging around 1 p.m. It becomes blue when it's fully charged. It's around 4:30, so it takes around 3.5 hours to charge fully. So with 2 identical boxes, you'll get 4 solar lights, 4 sticks, 2 packets of screw, 2 USB-C cables, 2 warranty card, 2 instruction cards. With short press, you can change the color temperature. There is 3 shades: warm, neutral, and cool white. There is another feature, you can dim the light to 5% to 100%. For that, you need to long press the power button for a long time. Once you set up, it has auto on-off feature. It's 9 p.m. here and you can see the lights are really bright and nice. Once you set up outside, you don't need to worry about charging. They will use solar panel. The solar panel is IP65 Waterproof for outside using. If you want to have it, don't waste your time. Just go to the link in my description box and get it.